Well, thank you so much for doing this. I
You're
really
welcome.
appreciate it. Is the fruit stand open up front?
Yeah, you can take whatever you want.
Is there a donation box somewhere? Where do we put money? Okay.
Thanks for coming out.
Thank you. Thank you for answering all our questions.
You're welcome.
Nice.
Yeah, it's nice in the shade.
I know, I don't want to go out of it.
Because I'm standing in the sun. So you moved your wood pile closer.
Yeah, well, the wood pile used to be where all those sequoias were. You remember I had wood all along the driveway there for years, you know. But
Right, and you had a whole bunch out.
I still have some out there.
Do you?
And what I have it really makes a difference to my grapes. The wood is like a heat sink,
Right.
and the grapes do so much better having that wood behind them, you know, because it keeps it warmer. But we put in a ductless heat pump, and that tell you those things are mind-boggling how efficient they are. Blows my mind, man. It's just changed my life. You know, I used to get up every morning at 5 o'clock to the stove going, and I get in the morning the house is warm. It's not the same heat. And many times when Carol has prenatals where people come, we get the stove going because it's the best heat.
Yes.
But and again, cost-wise, with the price of firewood, it's so much cheaper to run that heat pump because it's so efficient.
Yeah, they're pretty popular.
Well, they work. They're just, and again, when you think about, my neighbor over here, he's got a heat pump that's all ducted. You lose so much heat through the duct system.
Yeah.
And having a ductless, everything is just right there.
Yep.
Is so much more efficient.
Yeah, Hannah, the rental that they were at, the owner put one in, and I was really surprised at how, her house is old, but
It works.
it worked great.
And I couldn't believe how little it costs electricity.
Really,
It's like $30, a month difference. I'm running 3 of them. There's one back in the guest house and 2 in the house.
Oh,
And it's only about $30 difference. It's
you only have 2.
3,
Well, in the house.
2 in the house, yeah. One in the addition, one in the log house, and it totally heats it up great.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, they're just totally amazing.
Yeah. Huh.
Oh, stupid sheep.
Japanese.
Uh-oh.
They jumped their fence. They're in my greenhouse.
Oh no.
Oh, don't go in there.
Livestock.
Yeah.
Right.
Always a challenge.
See, we could go with the forest because all of our ducts run between the basement and the upstairs.
Uh-huh.
So your heat's still in the house.
Mm-hmm.
That'd be better for the downstairs, though.
It would.
The downstairs gets pretty cold. So.
It would probably run a lot more than the furnace does.
No, it's amazing how little it runs. It's just the thing is so efficient. It's like totally blew my mind because electric heat is not efficient.
No.
Right. Well, we're propane.
Okay. Well, this is.
But
Well,
it's still.
Yeah.
We're going through.
Well, we heat with water and cook and stuff too, propane. But
And a dryer.
no, the dryer's electric.
Yeah, see, our dryer's propane.
Mm.
We have propane dryer and hot water heater and stove.
Yeah.
Do you have the on-demand hot water heater, or do you have
No,
a tank?
tank.
Yeah. I put it on demand, and I do not like it.
Well, my experience was it's just the water coming out from the well is so cold. It takes a lot of heat to get it up, to get it hot.
Yeah.
And it's just you don't have really hot water all the time. With that hot water heater, man, it's just it's hot all the time.
And you have to have electricity to run it.
Yeah.
For the other one, the tank one, you don't.
Yeah, just propane.
Yeah.
Yeah, my propane hot water heater is great. I love it.
Yeah.
And then your stove. The food is so much better with propane
it's so
than
much
electric.
nicer to cook on.
So much nicer. So much more control. Everything's just so.
It's nothing like it.
He got more. He comes.
Bought the book and would love to have your autograph on it.
Sure.
I told her it's the only one worth anything, so.
Well, he gave me one.
Yeah, well, that's not,
And
yeah.
that's your
One thing when they eat my
There you
plants, it's
go.
another when they take a bite of my tomatoes.
Oh, no.
That's sad.
I have to take a bite out of
Would
them.
you like me to hold
No,
it?
I'll use the fence here.
Okay.
There you go.
No. You want two books?
I have two eyes, but that doesn't work.
Okay, if you've got my pen, I'll be happy to find it for you.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. Bless you.
Thank you.
Signatures. We'll get Paul's too.
Oh, you found it.
Did you really? You the one that dropped it, or is it with it out front?
Really?
Did you find a pen he dropped?
Apparently.
Oh, cool. Good eye.
Some veggies.
We're down to 30.
Yeah.
Thank you,
That's fine.
Paul.
Thank you for coming. Nice meeting you. Bless you.
Bless you too. I'll just
Donate
meet
to
you
the
up there,
cause.
or should I?
There's a little can out there. You can go to.
Oh, okay.
Take as much as you
I'm
want.
blessed.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
God bless him. So.
Hallelujah. Yeah, that's what he does. So well.
Toba, come here. Toba. I didn't say Willow.
Okay, so let me
There's
do
your pen.
this.
Don't let me get away
Yeah,
with
I've
that.
already lost one today until just now.
And I got Paul's tool. Don't let me get away with that.
Yeah, I'll get.
Paul will chase me down the driveway.
No,
Punch you with his cane.
I need this tool.
We're friends, but not that good.
That's right.
Okay, how do I spell Terry?
T-E-R-I.
I'm so glad I asked.
Oh,
So I showed him Tim Coe's name in it. I said, the only way to get your name in the book is if you buy one, and I write it down, like right here. Howard and Terry.
right,
So now it's in the book. Finally.
right. We paid for it.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. We'll have the master sign it too, so we have his signature.
Yeah, wherever you want us to sign it. It's okay.
Where do you want to sign it, Paul?
Oh, I don't care. Wherever you want me to.
How about right under your picture?
Okay.
You gotta put some of that yarrow on. Rescue dog.
Ideally, but like, I don't like the meat at the store, so I'm trying to raise as much rabbit as I can for dog food, and then they get all the organ meats from the chickens, and the eggs all the time, and lamb. You know, lamb.
Terry picks up roadkill.
I have been known. I haven't done that for a while. The other day, a cat brought a rabbit
Oh my gosh.
and had been living in the yard. So I put that in the freezer for the
thank you.
meatball.
Thank you.
Well, thank you.
We got it the other day. So. They're great because
Yeah, I think
I'll
she'd
go
do
they're
they're
really
so
good on it.
lean.
Wayne.
You know,
Oh,
the
yeah.
wild ones
Yeah.
are so lean. You
Yeah.
don't have to
Did
do
you get your
anything
umbrella?
to them.
Yeah, they did. They just offloaded them out there.
Nice.
Well, and then they graze too, don't they?
What?
The dogs eat some
Yeah, oh, yeah.
cucumbers and stuff.
Yeah, she's weird though. She doesn't like vegetables.
Yeah, some
You're a
don't.
goofball.
She eats the apples though.
Oh, does she?
She eats carrots though. I
Yeah.
see.
Really?
Mhm.
I haven't seen her yet.
My dog doesn't care for apples too much, but those are store bought. So.
And they eat they really like the pears.
Oh, the
Oh.
pears. I think those are the favorite.
Yeah, they
at
love
our
pears,
house.
man.
I think our dog can climb the tree.
Yeah,
He's out there before they're even.
he
Half
eats them
close to ripe.
when they're little.
Wow.
They'll start eating them.
Yeah.
You know, they're green and hard but yeah. Well, we should mosey, huh?
Yeah, it's
Well, thanks for coming. It's so good to see you.
I know, this is such a treat. I've always wanted to come.
we got here. We got
I know, this was like the
the
perfect
first
day.
book.
Yeah.
See, 01. Oh.
So will he be putting this on YouTube? Do you know?
Eventually.
Yeah,
Yeah, it takes him a while to get it out
I'm
there.
sure.
He does. He has to do all the editing.
Editing.
Yeah,
and-
he's got how many cameras
Takes-
to edit?
And then he does like small sections. You know.
Yeah.
A lot of the stuff that's coming out is like a year or two old though. So he's like trying to keep it and just like push it
Spread
back.
it- spread it out.
Using it.
Well, watch your stuff.
Oh yeah.
When I see it, that's how I learned about that.
Oh really? Okay, cool.
Recently you had
Nice.
one on there that you convinced him to try it. So I laughed because
You know how
I
he
know
is.
how he is.
Just telling
watch
everybody how
this.
stubborn you are.
Creature of habit. You know.
Right? Well, when you find something that works, I mean,
Yeah.
awesome.
I've got a big Bowie knife mounted on a post, but you're always sideways trying to, when you're
Yeah.
down in the dirt
Uh-huh.
trying to cut,
Well, and it gets
and it gets so
and-
dull, and it's like, and those thistles, it's just,
It's awful. Yeah. All right. Well.
yeah, I agree, totally. What are you talking about?
Do you have like a chicken tractor?
Yeah, I've got chicken tractors. They're kind of along the fence by the road. I've got
Okay.
some grow out chickens and turkeys in one, and then rabbits that are growing out on pasture. And then all of my meat birds I do in an open paddock. I move that every, depending on the grass growth, 3 days to a week. And then I do all my laying birds on pasture, and they get rotated every other week. So you just got a bigger paddock.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you got
Boy, I just noticed today
Okay.
the deer damage on my apples. We're gonna need Mike out at night.
Holy crap! Really?
Yeah,
Jeez.
yeah. They did some nibbling.
Already.
We'll
Huh?
get them out there. Then.
Yeah, this Micah man is. But he's been in a chicken pen. But we gotta maybe during the day, but at night we need to have him out because
Well, the
Yeah.
eagles have gone, so you can stay out.
Yeah.
because
Which tree? King David?
the King David. Yeah, that's the first one they
They
get.
always go.
Always go for that one. Yeah. It's the first one.
Dang.
Yeah, it's been so great not having him. Well, a couple of years ago they just completely defoliated my trees.
Really?
Ate every leaf off.
It was crazy.
It was totally
There
crazy.
was, there was a few apples on the trees, but no leaves. They waited for the apples to still ripen before
And
they
the
took
tree
them.
survived.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Able to
yeah.
survive.
But just yeah, it was
Oh.
terrible. So I'm so thankful for that dog because that's made such a difference.
Now, have you had to train him to
he's
work?
no, he's
They get it.
they
know how
they
it works.
totally
Yeah.
they totally it's like
Well, I know
it's their
that
breed.
They're bred for that, but I didn't know if you had to kind of,
You needed integrate them with the livestock and stuff to get them used to it from
Okay.
the beginning. Like
right?
a lot of people have Great Pyrenees who just want to kill every chicken they see, or they want to kill a sheep or whatever. So you just have to, from the
when
beginning,
they're a puppy.
get them involved with it,
Yeah.
and then they'll learn. Okay, I gotta protect them because they're not protecting themselves, and they figure it out.
And it's so interesting. Like little Willow will get in there and chase the sheep, and then Michael comes running around and just nails Willow. Man, like don't do that.
Stand in front of Willow, just like run right into him. He's just like a tank. He just takes it.
Oh, God.
So funny.
Yeah, they're great dogs.
It's funny. He was crashed out under that tin thing, and all the chickens are laying on top of
Oh,
him, snuggling up with him.
Yeah, I've seen pictures where the kid goat is like standing on him, and they're
Yeah,
just happy
yeah.
as can be.
Some of the black chickens that are in there, they actually hop up and ride him.
Oh my,
He'll be walking around with 2 or 3 chickens on his
Back.
back, not even caring.
that's so funny.
That's funny.
That's great.
Well, bless you.
bless you. Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much.
Good to see you.
Blessing. Always
Yeah,
is.
glad we got to see Carol too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you
I've seen
too.
you on,
Yeah.
you know, internet and stuff.
Yeah. And just so you know, if you read that, I have nothing to do with Baker Creek.
Okay.
It's in there.
Mistake.
Oh,
Yeah.
Baker Creek. I've heard of that. What is that?
They're a seed company,
Yeah.
and I think they're believers, but their seed quality is just not good.
Yeah.
Real poor germination. It's
Oh,
sad.
yeah, I think there was a video that you talked about that you started ordering, because the germination percentage was so
It was really poor germination. It was
Yeah.
sad.
Oh, too bad.
I really like Fedco, and he likes Johnny's.
Yeah.
And I like Fedco. They'll print right on the package the germination rate. They'll right up front what it is.
Yeah. Yeah, Johnny's does it too. It's cool.
Yeah.
You used to do, was it jung?
I used to do Jung, yeah,
Yeah.
but
They
That was
got
a long
sold to
time.
long time
Monsanto,
ago.
Didn't they?
What's that?
Didn't they get sold to Monsanto?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's when I quit.
Yeah,
I quit.
they don't.
I quit using them because my grandmother used to use them, and they had really great seeds.
Yeah.
But when they turned over to Monsanto, that's when I quit. But
Yeah.
and my grandmother used to really love their stuff.
Yeah.
And they had. I mean, when I used it before they sold out, I was really pleased. It was good stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. We did that too.
But Fedco I've been really happy with them. They're just really
Yeah, and their catalog is
hilarious.
entertaining.
It is. Yeah, they're creative. It's,
Yeah.
it's awesome.
They have a lot of little informative.
Yeah, and they tell you where the seeds come from. They give you histories. I mean,
Yeah.
it's a lot of information, in their
Yeah,
catalog.
and they'll have little things that people, have a lot of experience.
Yeah,
And they'll write up a little
Sure.
article or whatever.
Yeah, I think they're helpful.
Oh, that's exciting.
Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.